It's this week's weekly update. What am I doing this week? Not much. I'm just doing a whole bunch of stuff. I'm what was I gonna say? Working on the kitchen bench. In between all the other videos, you'll see kitchen bench videos pop up as I produce the bench and work on it and get a chance. So far, this is what you'll see me doing. This is one of the legs. I'll keep the other one a surprise. What else? I have a hibachi I gotta work on next. Clean up some of my bench. Gotta put it, excuse me. It's getting really nice out. Did some welding. You'll see that in about a couple days. I was on top of all the regular videos. I have 382 subscribers. So thank you to whoever recently subscribed, because YouTube doesn't always let me know who subscribed. If you're new here, smash the like button. Grab one of these things right where the like button is. Just tap it lightly. Well, maybe not. Maybe do a virtual one. We're going with rubber ones, or those little tiny touch pens where you can touch it. Anyway, use your mouse, whatever. I was hearing some complaints about watching a video and seeing hammers in it. So, other than that, I got to work on cleaning my garage up, because like every time I do work, I'm always moving stuff around, cleaning. Everybody's always moving stuff. We got a workshop, so I realized I got to move all the shit away from the door. I was planning on hauling the mule out, but there's a pile of junk on top of it, and so that's pretty much it. I'm working on the bench. It's actually coming up pretty good. My next thing I have to do is level the feet. I gotta match them up right, and it's one of those things that a little bit needs to be lopped off, a little sanding, and I got to figure out what to do with the feet. I don't know if I want to, I don't know if I want to weld it. I was thinking putting a wooden plug in here, just cut a square piece of wood and plug it in, but now I'm thinking I got to cut the wood this way, and I don't know. It's going to take some, I don't know. So I will figure that out. I do have a giant piece of Delrin I could use. Just smash it in there, but I have to get it level. I also have to make it so it doesn't put giant huge scratches in my floor. So that's the other thing. So I have some little pads I could screw in there, but I don't know if I want to use them. And I'm thinking like, I might just weld a middle plate on it. But then if I weld a middle plate on it, it's not level, and I got to cut it off and do it over. So I have to make sure it's absolutely positively level for the metal plate. Otherwise it's going to rock and be stupid. So yeah. Anyway, that's it. That's pretty much new. So stay tuned. And don't forget, hammer on the subscribe button. Toodles. Enjoy.